Hello, I'm John Carrico. I'm with Family Visa and Immigration Services. I'm here to talk to you today about how to become a lawful permanent resident. There are several ways to do so, and the most popular way is through a family member. So, a parent, a spouse, or a child over 21 who are U.S. citizens can file for their relative. There are three factors. One is the method of entry into the United States by the beneficiary, the person seeking the green card. You can come in on a visa or without a visa. So there's a remedy for each. In addition, how many entries you've made into the United States, when those entries occurred, and finally, are you a person of good moral character? So the ability to get a green card through a family member depends on who that family member is and what the age and marital status of the beneficiary is. Let me give you an example. So, someone who's coming on a visa, say 5 years ago, but hasn't left the United States and is now married to a U.S. citizen, can file for a green card here in the United States since they made only one lawful entry and haven't left the United States. On the other hand, if you're married to a U.S. citizen, but you came in the country illegally without documents, say even 20 years ago, but haven't left the United States, have been here the entire time, you also can get a green card through a U.S. citizen spouse. It does require you to travel to your home country, but you should be back in about 10 days after your pardon is approved. Other examples of wait times would be if you're the brother or sister of a U.S. citizen, and let's say that you were from Mexico. Unfortunately, those petitions are taking over 20 years. So if a brother filed for you back in, say, 1995, now you can get a green card through that brother if you can prove you made a legal entry into the United States. Another example would be a lawful permanent resident parent who wants to file for their child. If that child is under 21 and unmarried, the permanent resident parent can file for that child. However, if the child is over 21, it takes a very long time to get an immigrant visa, or if that child is married, a lawful permanent resident parent cannot file for a married child. So those are some of the variations of how someone becomes a lawful permanent resident through a family member. It's complicated, it's risky, and it takes time. If you have any questions about it, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 775-826-2099, or you can reach out to us by email at jcfamilyvisa@gmail.com. Thank you.